How can I document my team's communications? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new message posted to a channel in Slack. Then we'll be uploading the details of that message to create a record in Airtable. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be channel message in Slack to Airtable record. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking on the trigger box. This is going to be in Slack. And the event is going to be new message posted to a channel. And make sure we're connected to Slack. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. The channel that we want to monitor with this workflow is going to be my test channel. So this is where you would select which channel you wanted to document the messages from. We'll test our trigger, and we have a success. So we have a new message that was posted to the channel, and we can use this message to set up our workflow. So our action is going to be in Airtable, and the event is going to be create record. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to my Airtable account. The base that I want to add this message to is my message documentation, and the table is going to be messages. Once I select my base and table, these new fields will appear, and I can fill them out by using information from my trigger. So for the sender name, I'm going to come down to my drop-down menu and find the user. For the message content, that's going to be the text. The sent date is going to be the timestamp. And that's all the information we need to add to our record. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to click continue and test the action. We have a success. So I can click continue here, and then I can check Airtable. And this new message was just added here with the name of the sender, the date, the message content, and the days since sent was factored automatically by Airtable, so it was sent today, so it's 0 days since it was sent. If I want to, I can use the AI built within Airtable, and it can tell me if the sentiment of the message is positive, negative, or neutral. So this is a negative message. And then we didn't use a category through our workflow, but you could fill one in later if you wanted. But it looks like our workflow is working the way we want it to. We can come back over to the workload editor, check and make sure there's a green dot in each of our nodes, and we can activate our workflow. And then whenever a new message is posted to that specific channel, it'll automatically be used to create a new record in Airtable. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically create a new record in Airtable whenever there's a new channel message in Slack. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices blow up more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.